Hello fellow Disney Pixar car stands. Today we'll be taking a closer look at one of the new for 2021 racing tractors, the View Zeen Racing Tractor. Today we'll be doing an unboxing, so the first unboxing on the channel in quite a while, so I hope you can stick around for that. Of course, he is new for 2021, as you can see. I believe released in 2021 Singles Case G. I got this one from Gendams, yes, not from Get Me Collectibles. I'm pretty sure she got him from Get Me Collectibles, but then I bought him off her, and yeah, so that's how I got this particular tractor. Anyways, here he is. We're going to take a closer look now. New for 2021 in the top right hand corner over here. Cars logo again. There's that red stripe. We've got the Mattel logo in the top left. There's the Racing Tractor's artwork, which looks pretty cool. We've also got the Racing Tractor on the in package here. View Zeen Racing Tractor. Mattel 3+, pretty cool. On the back we can see some other cars. Of course, we will be taking a closer look at Hot Rod Louise and Ash later today on the channel as well. I believe at 8 o'clock, so make sure you stay tuned for that. We've of course got some other cars. I've got all of these already. I believe I've reviewed every single one on the channel. Maybe not Murray Clutchburn before, but yeah, maybe I'll do him soon. Of course, as seen in Cars 3, in of course Cruise's Daydream. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is of course going to open him up on the channel right now, and of course we're going to go take a close look at the diecast. Here he is, all opened up out of the package, and I'm going to say I do like the View Zeen Racing Tractor quite a lot. Of course, he is supposed to look like Michael Rotor over here, so we'll compare him to Michael Rotor a little bit later on. But yeah, for now, I'll now add a movie scene where he appeared in the movie, if I could get a clear picture, of course. Pretty cool. So yeah, taking a close look at his diecast now, looks pretty cool. Nice smiling expression like all the other tractors do. Nice two little wheels at the front. One seems to be very wobbly, as you can see. Probably Mattel's quality control. We've got, of course, got the grille, pretty cool. Got this little thing at the top. Got the stack here. Of course, we've got the yellow stripe coming down, which is exactly the same like on Michael Rotor. On the side it says VZ, View Zeen. We've of course got the expression. Pretty cool with these blue eyelids. We've got 39 in this yellow on the top. Pretty cool. There is this blue stripe across here. Mirrors. Here is the side. We've of course got the piston cup sponsors, which of course is accurate. Piston cup combustor carbon fiber synergy. Lightyear rims, which is kind of funny. 39 on the side here above the engine cover. And there's the arrow to indicate the pitty road to lift them up at pit stop, which is highly impossible. Massive tractor wheels at the back. You can see how fast they do spin. Here's the back. We've of course got 39 View Zeen. Of course got that stripe again. Back window. Rookie racing stripes because he is still a rookie, even for a tractor. Here's the base. There's the udder, which is like a tension detail made in the 7th week. Pretty cool. Now, quickly comparing him to against Michael Rotor, as I did say I would. Pretty cool. The only thing he doesn't have is that spoiler and the window bars. They could have added the window bars on the back, you know. Just saying, Mattel. This time he's got a smile instead of not a smile. No fenders, no lights. There seems to be this green thing here next to 39. You can see where my thumb is. That's not present on Michael Rotor. No exhaust pipes, no fuel cap. Rookie racing stripes is correct. 39 above. Yeah, I don't understand why that thing's there because it's not here on Michael Rotor. But I like that attention to detail. Bases, of course, would be different. What I'm going to do quickly is compare him against the other new tractor and the other tractors that have been released. I believe he's got the exact same expression as the Easy Idle Racing Tractor. Trying to look at the eyes, they seem to be the same. So that's the Easy Idle Racing Tractor. Here's the Rev and Go one, which is in fact different. You can see by the eye inspection. Pretty cool, he goes next there. Shiny Wax, again another different expression because his eyelids are way open. And of course we've got the bumper save, which was the first ever tractor release. Again, a different expression. The only reason why I know this is a different expression, if you look at the eyelids here, they're straight, like the line is straight, where the line on the eyelids is a bit bent. So that's how I know all the tractors have a different expression, except for the Easy Idle one, for some weird reason. I'm still looking for the Sputter Stop and the Clutch Aid Racing one. Hope I get them soon. So there is the tractor. Now what I'm going to do is very, very quickly bring out the whole team for View Zeen. There's Michael Rotor, Buck Bearingly, Ryan Shields, and of course Metallic Ryan Shields, because you know why not, one of my favourites. And of course Mini Racers Michael Rotor. So yeah, if you guys are new, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that bell notification down below, because the next one, peace guys.